State of Texas versus Aaron Marie LaFontaine. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hallie Jackson for the state.
Orlando Gastinon for defense.
And are you Aaron LaFontaine?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. LaFontaine, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments, Waivers, and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Welcome to my channel, Closed Case. Subscribe for more video.
Offensive injury to a child, bodily injury intentionally or knowingly. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, no contact with Jasmine Barner, IP and parenting classes. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
State, any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
No objection.
Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for defer.
Just that we ask that you follow the plea agreement, Judge,
All
and
right,
that you consider holding the permanent finding in abeyance.
all right. So why is she in custody today?
She did not attend court on the October 17th date or somewhere about that time.
I had my mailing address has been recently changed. I was in the process of moving, so I never received the mail until I wasn't aware that I had a court date on that day.
And I was not able to get a hold of her.
Okay.
So I didn't.
So do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
So what do you do for a living?
I work with it's like a temp agency app.
Mhm.
I have it on my phone. It's just you get jobs as you go. I work for the Lone Star Bakery right now.
Okay.
For the second, I'm not hired on full time or anything with them. It's just I apply each day and they accept my shift and I go to work.
So how long have you been doing temp work?
For about 2 weeks now, 3 weeks now.
How far did you go in school?
I got my GED.
Okay. So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life? What's your dream job?
My dream job actually is to go to culinary school and become a chef.
So what steps are you doing to make that happen?
Nothing just yet because I haven't gotten that far ahead. I'm just now finally gotten all my legal paperwork to where I've got my ID and my social and my birth certificate, and that was a struggle actually for the past several months for me to be able to obtain that now. So I'm all the way able to work. So I'm just.
And who are you living with?
I'm sorry?
Who do you live with?
I live with friends.
All right. And how long have you known these friends that you live with?
For better than 10 years.
And you're no longer in a relationship with this person?
No, ma'am. I'm in no relationship at all.
Okay. So how often have you been drinking?
I haven't.
Well, I mean, I'm reading the police report. In the police report, it appears that there's alcohol involved.
Yeah, I haven't been drinking.
Since
So-
that time?
Right. I haven't been drinking.
All right. During this time period, how much were you drinking?
I wouldn't say it was like a daily thing, but it was probably a day kind of thing. Maybe, like a cocktail drink kind of, like a mixed drink. Probably like every other day, every other night.
Okay. And if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And you are going to get drug tested today.
I would come up dirty for marijuana.
And anything else?
I'm not sure. I don't believe.
Okay. Why are you not sure or don't believe?
I haven't done anything other than marijuana for the past better than a week now.
And how often have you been doing marijuana?
Every day.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Any other question?
No, Judge.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with minors. The BIPP course. There's to be no contact with the complainant. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person to probation. We're going to do the UA hotline. Field visits 1 time per month for 4 months, and then at probation's discretion. Do a TAP evaluation. That can be done out of custody. I'm going to want sober support meetings, and there'll be 90 meetings in 90 days. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. If you obtain your certificate at a trade school, or if you go to culinary school and graduate, those hours will be deemed satisfied.
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Yes. Thank you. Proof of employment.
I would be able to obtain that from the app, I believe.
Yes, the probation will go over that with you.
Okay.
So there's to be proof of employment within 40 days.
Okay.
There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, and recall warrant.
Okay.
All right. Probation, is there anything else? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We can go off the record. So, in this courtroom, to be successful on probation, you need to stay in communication with probation. If there's an issue with probation and you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. You understand?